Hello, this is an odd little video, but about once a year I record what it's like walking into work, because I don't work in London every day. It's about, I don't know, a few times a month, sometimes more, sometimes less. And then about once a year I record my journey in. I don't think I've released any of these videos. Maybe this will be the one. A little gift to remind myself in the future what it was like travelling into work, into London on an occasional basis. So I get the train in. This is the train pulling into Waterloo. Basically, I'm not a hygiene freak. It's just that there's a man in front of me who's breaking wind. So heroically, I've had to put a face mask on. Do you know what? It actually works. Look how happy I am. Oh, you can't really see, but it does block most of the smells, which is a good thing. It's a win so early in the day. Okay, so I'm now riding in, just left Waterloo, and I'm going to try and cycle to St Paul's, see if I can get a coffee in St Paul's on the way in. So, a treat myself day. I love using these bikes because I've got the thing that releases them, and it means that I'm capped at £3 a day, so I'm only going to use it maybe once. Might use it on the way home, I don't know. And it's better than walking. So it would have taken me about 10 minutes to get to here, I think, and I've done it in 2. Oh look, National Theatre. I record this every time I walk past it with a camera, but when I was growing up, this was a very special place. On the right hand side you can see there's a production unit for some movie, and that's the only TV being made around here now. But when I was growing up, this was really special. It's the London Weekend Television Building, LWT Tower. Weirdly, it wasn't called LWT Tower, it was called Kent's House for some reason, even though it served London. Always wondered why it was something like that. It says Thames Television on there, I don't think you can see that. They used it as a film set to be the Thames TV studios, which is heresy. They were arch competitors. It was bizarre. Anyway, better concentrate on the cycling now. So I'm still getting better at this, but I've just biked the dock. I've just docked the bike, and it was really lucky because the docking station was full, but the guy in front of me, who took the space in front of me, turned out to be a worker for Santander Cycles and freed up some spaces. So the bike gods are smiling on me this morning. I should have filmed it. I'm still getting used to this, even though I've been doing this for about 5 years now. No, 6 years. And I think I need something I can wear here on my rucksack, so I can wear the camera like this, and then I'd be able to show things rather than tell them. But anyway, bike's docked, and instead of getting the dock that's right by the Cafe Nero I'm heading to, I deliberately docked it back there so I can have a nice little walk. Ooh, so I get run over by kamikaze cyclists. I've never been down this street. It's like a little cut through from Farringdon Road round to the back of St Paul's. Probably should get on the pavement, shouldn't I? So yeah, this vlog is just an experiment, just to see if I could capture my way into London, just capture part of the sights and sounds. I've just realised that's the Old Bailey, I think. I didn't realise, look at that. So that little cut through ends up at the Central Criminal Court. Oh, okay. gonna go this way to St Paul's now. So I finally make it to the coffee shop. I've noticed everyone in the coffee shop is doing this. I prefer it in a takeaway cup. Oh, excuse me. But everyone in the shop has ordered it in takeaway cups. And the takeaway cups are cheaper. So I think everyone's doing. Usually I say, you know, it's to drink in, but can I have it in a takeaway cup? And I'm not trying to scam Cafe Nero or any coffee chain. But this day, because it's my birthday, I didn't mention that I'm drinking in. So I just got the takeaway cup at takeaway prices. And I thought I'd treat myself to a table. It's good to get my head together, do some work in there. It's nice to have a table. And this one's got a really nice basement. Plus, I know the code for this particular branch's secret security code from the toilet. I've actually got a little note in my phone of as many toilets as possible that I can harvest. And it comes in useful today, even though I probably get the code anyway, because I've actually bought my drink, albeit on takeaway prices. So that's a nice sort of 40 minutes, just get my head together, and time to move on. Oh, that was great. I needed that to get my head together. So I'm going to now walk on. Ooh. Hang on. So I'm going to walk on now to the studio where I'm working today. Love the city in the morning. Again, I've mentioned this before, but I used to go to school near here, so I get that little edge of nerves that I'm going in for a school day. Even now, so long afterwards, so many decades on, it feels like a school day. I've gone for funky trainers today. I have a feeling they're actually dad trainers, but usually I wear formal shoes. In my head, this will help me be taken more seriously at work. But I thought, sod it, it's my birthday. I'll go with the dad trainers today. I'll treat myself to some comfort wear. I actually prefer these. I think I might actually perform better in this footwear. So this is the top secret street where I'll be working today. This is where the studios are. It doesn't feel right to film the security procedures here, but I'll have my photo taken. I was going to say my face taken. I'll have my face taken and I'll wear that as an ID badge. I might give you a shot of that and then I'll show you the studio. Here we go. I just thought I'd share this. There's police bikes, there's police cyclists. This is on the walk on the way home. I just dropped this into the video. It's quite exciting. Look over here. I don't know what's going on there, but they've got flashing blue lights. Pretty cool. Who knows, but maybe it's for jumping red lights or something. Here we go. Oh, there's more. Oh, they're stopping scooters. So thanks for coming with me on this journey. I'm back outside again just to put on screen something that YouTube knows you want to watch next. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. I have no idea if I'll finally release this video, but if I have, I really appreciate you seeing it through to the end, and I hope there's something here that you enjoy next.